Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to buy books on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, the process is quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to buy books. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this button called as Webtoon Shop that you'll find on the navbar. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page right here. As you guys can see, this is the Webtoon shop. Now from here, you can simply search for the books, or on the navbar, you can see a section like this that says books. Simply hover over it. Now you can either select activity books or series books. It's up to you. You can simply search for it or go through this option. Now for simplicity, let's simply say I want to buy this one right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, the process is the same. Note that you can directly add it to cart, or in case you want to directly buy it, you can simply buy it using Shop Pay or more payment options. Select whatever you wish. And guys, this is it. This is the payment section. Now all you guys have to do is enter all of these details along with your payment information. And once everything's okay, simply click on Pay Now. Note that in case you have a discount code, simply enter it right here and hit on Apply. Well guys, that is it. That's how you buy books on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.